Hi Divanista, this is Awa from Diva Skincare. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to bed and I thought I would talk to you before I go to bed. I don't do this, but I thought I would do it because of the... Anyway, so today is June 25th and today is my rest day. Once a week, I take a rest from skin lightening and I condition my skin. I've created a category called skin conditioner. I started that 2 years ago. What I do is once a week, just once a week, I take a break from skin lightening. I bath. After that, I dry myself up and I oil the hell out of my skin. So I use our Marura oil. It's organic cold press oil. And then I oil